One of the toughest things about stress is understanding where it actually comes from. Sometimes it's quite obvious, like you have an exam coming up. But other times it's a lot more subtle, and these are usually the day-to-day causes of stress. So in part 2 of this module, let's begin to understand and identify the causes of stress. If the stress is external, it's usually easy to identify. This can be because you find yourself in a stressful environment surrounded by stressful people, because a major life event is happening to you right now, or it could be due to something happening at school. It's important to look at all the different aspects of your life to see if any of it has the potential to be causing you stress. Do you feel stressed out just thinking about a specific part of your life? Do you dread the thought of having to do something or be a part of something? If you answered yes, then chances are those are the parts of your life that are causing you stress. When the stress is internal, it's a lot harder to identify. You need to identify the role that you play in your own stress. Ask yourself if the stress you experience occurs regularly. Is your stress triggered by similar things? Do you explain away your stress as a normal part of life? Some common triggers of internal stress include uncertainty in your life, fears, attitudes, and lifestyle. Until you accept your own role in the stress that's in your life, it'll be difficult to make any progress in managing that stress. Another important aspect of stress is how you react to it. Stress releases chemicals in your body that trigger a fight or flight response. And it's important to know which side of fight or flight you fall into. If you're likely to become aggressive and angry under stress, you most likely have a fight response. If you tend to become more distant and withdrawn, then you most likely have a flight response. Some people can also fall into a freeze response where they become immobilized. Knowing how you react to stress will help you pick stress management techniques that will counteract your response to stress. Take a moment to analyze and reflect on the questions that we've talked about. In part 3, we'll cover a range of techniques to manage your stress, and having an understanding of internal and external stress factors will help you identify what stress management technique will work best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.